I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real. That's just how I feel. I think it over.
Anyong, saan nakikita niyo ako? Dito ako sa driving seat ngayon. O nasamantala ko kasi maluwag yung daan dito. So, ang gamit ko ngayon yung car namin, yung Montero. And honestly, nihihirapan ako sa sedan. So, okay sa akin itong ganito kalaki. Although, ito yung kinakatakot ko nung una kasi mahaba yung uso ng Montero. Tapos, taba siya, malaki siya. Ayun. Kaya medyo medyo natatakot ako. Pero, hindi ko alam, mas feel ko yung smoothness ng car na to. And, syempre, bilang nag-aaral mag-drive, parang hindi yata okay maging choosy sa pagpili ng ng car na kung anong pa-practicein mo. Tayo. Teka, may
sige, dyan ka lang, slow down. Tingin ka sa kaliwa pag ako lumiko ka. Kung alanganin, pwede ka magpreno.
Talagang sa...
Hindi ka nagsenyas.
Sorry. Hindi ko nakita yung yung truck. Dito ba? Diretso?
She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will, I thought I let you know.
We're here at, ang tawag dito? Talalora.
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 Way up here, I just let it know. Wait alone.
Parang kang ng GTA.
Parang dati pa yan.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
Pwede po, hindi ka magpa-aral ng gas. Sinasabi ni nanay ano daw, vitamin. Mas madami pa doon na yung singles.
I just transferred my stuff here sa waterproof na color green. Ito yung binili ko pa from Boracay. And I'm going to use this later sa beach. Diyan sa tapat. And ito yung sunglasses ko. The goggles. Yung phone holder. So, waterproof. And then of course, the monopod. And then I have here the sunblock.
You're my sunshine after rain. 네가 좋아. 짙게 빈 하늘을 봐. 더 푸른 하늘과 Silver lining in the clouds. 바람결에 흘리는 너의 향기 햇살 같은 눈밑 작은 점 하나가.
We're gonna ligo na finally. After a decade. Tomorrow we're not gonna swim kasi meron daw fiesta whole day. So
And fiesta, you have to lock the doors on your... Kasi some people just barge in and take.
So, yun na lang daw yung sabi dito. Kasi dito, yung pinagstayan namin dun sa sister ng mother-in-law ko. Wala siyang doorknob. So, kailangan talaga nakalock. Although, pag alis naman namin, syempre, sadali namin yung mga gamit namin, yung mga importante. We still have 2 days to stay. Kasi 8 PM ng 14 yung flight namin pa uwi. Husband ko to sila. Aming mga pamangkin ay Friday pa sila uuwi. Sila. Good morning. So we're going to Tita's house. Tutulong na kami magligpit. And it's our last full day ni Paul. And mamaya na dyan ulit kami magsiswimming. Maraming video dito yung mga bata eh. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Anong character yan? Rest muna. Nakapagluto na ng gudo. Tama yung pronunciation. And may mga chicken dito na... Oy! Hey! Yung cat. Yung chicken na yan. Tinuklaw niya itong isa sa dito. Kulang na lang magiging pork and chicken menudo to kasi kakakagigil. Sarap na lang isahog. Pagbayan lang natin. Para mas lalo siyang kumapoy.
falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool.
We have strawberry and cream frappuccino for my sister. I have caramel macchiato ice brandy. Ito yung tall. Tapos yung chocolate. Ito ata yung signature chocolate na ice for my mom. And then yung white chocolate mocha venti size, tall size for my brother.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on.
Ito yung pagsastayan namin. Ito yung isang room, then yung isang room, then yung isa pa. It's me!
Where I can free my mind, I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I...
Sorry kung malabo yung phone, but ito yung space namin. Nakaspan ko. Literally 3 house siya. Excuse sa face ko kasi hindi na naglagay ng makeup dahil matutunog na rin naman. Medyo mainit dito sa loob. Okay naman sana dito. Like, okay na okay siya. Ang cons lang talaga dito ay mainit. Wait lang. Anyways, cons lang dito ay ito lang yung saksakan, which is yung USB type. Tapos wala ka nang makikita ng saksakan dito sa loob. And then, ito lang yung switch niya. Ito yung para sa fan. And then, ito yung para sa ilaw. And, yun nga lang. Hindi siya abot dito sa higaan. So, hindi ko alam kung paano kami paano kami matutulog na medyo peaceful. Kasi mainit. But, feeling ko kaya naman. Kasi may e-fan din naman akong dala. Yung mini fan ko. So, feeling ko mag-work naman to.
Doon nagsimula yung lahi ng mga Israelita, Judyo, Tayo. Ngayon,